Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to disable Binance account. So for you to do that, you have to tap on the Binance icon at the left top corner of the screen. You tap, then you tap on the profile icon, then you tap on security, then you're going to scroll down to the last option and tap on manage account. Then you can see up here disable account, and you tap on disable. Then right here there is a warning for you that if you delete your account, take you about 120 minutes before you can reactivate your account. So once you are ready for that, you tap on OK, then you follow the procedures, and with these procedures you'll be able to disable your Binance account. Thank you.